guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that's right, it's been a while. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys like what's going on with me, kayak apa aja sih yang udah terjadi selama ini gitu, like what's up. It's the catching up, okay? Catching up with me, I know that's right. Like I'm gonna tell you guys, bisa dibilang ini kayak video curhat ya, like I want to tell you guys what things that has happened. I've been through a lot lately, and to be honest, kalau ditanya kayak I feel like I wanna leave Bali for now because yeah, Bali been so harsh lately. I know that's right. And honestly, jujur aku ngerasa kayak bosen living in Bali somehow because I've been here for like 4 years. I have tried everything, like for the party, good things, bad things, everything. It's been like, you know, I have tried all of that, which is so boring for me now. So I was thinking about going back to Bekasi for a while to just, you know, freshen up and what. So like yeah, let's start from gimana ya? Mostly people are asking why the fuck am I losing weight this much? Kayak orang-orang tuh bertanya kayak kok kurusan kak, kok kamu kurusan ya, diet ya, like what? No, and parahnya lagi, some of people say like, oh you get HIV, you blah blah blah, you tested positive for HIV blah blah blah, and ya aku mau cerita dari situ sih. Jadi without further ado, let's just so it all started from November 10th, the 10th of November ya. Itu aku mulai, itu tepatnya jam berapa ya sih, jam 11 kalau saya jam 11, and then tiba-tiba aku lagi chill, I felt nothing, I was just feeling just fine, and then makan kan segala macam, terus tiba-tiba batuk. Pas batuk itu muntah tiba-tiba. Pas muntah kayak pas batuk tuh kayak kayak air yang keluar, kan biasanya kalau orang batuk ini gak sih, dahak atau ludah tuh segala macam. Tapi ini tuh ngerasa waktu aku batuk tuh bersamaan dengan air, pas keluarin taunya darah. And then yeah, there she goes, batuk, darah, like bleeding, coughing with blood. I've been coughing with blood for like 5 days or even a week in a row, like bener-bener nggak pernah batuk normal. Itu selama seminggu tuh, dari 10 November batuknya darah terus. Dan di situ aku masih kayak anggap enteng, kayak oh it's just, you know, batuk darah, mungkin let's just beli obat yang memberhentikan darahnya segala macam ya. I mean actually it works to stop the fucking blood, tapi aku tetap coughing, tetap batuk sampai Februari. Dan seiring berjalannya waktu dari November, Desember, Januari itu aku ngerasa kayak ya udah ini batuk biasa, ntar juga hilang sendiri. Padahal aku seharusnya cek ke dokter ya sebelum parah. Akhirnya semakin larut lah kan, aku semakin ngebiasain gitu, kayak oh lah batuk biasa gitu. Padahal aku tuh setiap saat batuk, bahkan sesek. And then di Januari tuh udah mulai kayak dikit-dikit demam, terus kayak udah nggak mau makan. I lost my appetite. I didn't eat that much sampai akhirnya di pertengahan Januari itu tambah parah. It was getting worse, like oh my god. Dan aku udah ngerasa kurusan karena aku nggak mau makan sama sekali. Like aku tipe orang, I ate a lot on some real shit. Aku tipe orang yang kalau makan tuh porsinya harus kuli bangunan, kayak banyak banget. Kalau misalkan dikit aku nggak akan cukup. Teman-teman dekat aku tahu kalau aku tuh makan banyak banget. Tapi waktu kemarin Januari tuh definisi kayak yang 1 sendok 2 sendok udah cukup anjir. Bayangin 1 sendok udah ngerasa kenyang, like what the fuck. itu bukan kenyang sih, lebih kayak yang gimana ya, I didn't have my appetite. I was like fuck it, I'm not gonna eat. Dan seiring apa namanya, saat itu tuh meanwhile I keep partying, I'm still going out, like what the fuck, I've been a bad girl, I know that. Dan pada akhirnya it's just getting worse. Do you know why? Because like setiap aku batuk, dada bagian kiri aku sakit, bahkan punggung bagian kanan sakit, semuanya sakit. Bahkan saat nafas pun semuanya sakit, dari bagian dada, dari punggung tuh semua sakit banget. Like I don't even know why. Sampai aku tuh nelfon orang tua aku udah gak kuat, aku rasa aku bakal meninggal karena setiap gimana sih, setiap nafas tinggi itu tuh sakit, kayak sakit di semua badan, bahkan sampai betis pun sakit, like sumpah parah banget. Akhirnya di Januari tanggal 7 atau tanggal berapa aku pulang ke Bekasi kan, akhirnya cobalah tes apa namanya, tes ekotes sih, ke rumah sakit untuk ronsen kan, dilihat what's going on with my body. So I did X-ray and turns out I have the tuberculosis atau TBC ya guys. Oke, so setelah divonis kalau aku TBC, akhirnya aku menjalani obat para penderita TBC yang sampai 6 bulan gitu. Dan sekarang aku udah menjalani pengobatan, udah berjalan sekitar 4-3 mingguan. Dan thank God, untungnya aku udah ngerasa perubahannya. Less batuk, less sesek, udah gak terlalu sesek lagi, udah gak terlalu sering batuk ya. Dulu kalau ngomong lama aja nih batuk terus sesek, like. Terus masalah berat badan itu aku dari 64, ya bayangin 64 turun ke 50. Terakhir kali aku cek masih 50. Sekarang aku bakal cek besok karena aku nggak punya timbangan di sini, jadi aku bakal ke rumah sakit besok, bakal lihat kayak berat badan aku udah naik atau belum. Cuman aku merasa kayaknya udah naik, soalnya beberapa jeans aku udah mulai fit lagi, cuman belum terlalu fit seperti biasanya, masih agak longgar, tapi like I feel the difference. Dan my appetite has back, kayak aku makan udah kembali normal, kayak Indomie goreng harus 3 bungkus, 2 bungkus if it's jumbo, I know that's right. Terus kayak 5 times eating dalam 1 hari, like I eat a lot now. I'm trying to gain my weight, I'm trying to get back to my old body, I know that's right. And what? Tapi gimana ya, sejujurnya kayak kalau misalkan dilihat dari sisi positifnya ya, kurusan tuh aku ngerasa kayak lebih feminim. Dan as you guys can see, kayak gimana ya, aku ngerasa lebih feminim aja, kayak lebih kecil badannya. Cuman di sisi lain kontranya, aku ngerasa kayak nggak cocok gitu kurus kecil badannya, lebih cocok berisi. I don't even know why, but you know what, I'm just trying to get back to my old body though. So like yeah. So that's the story. Jadi buat kalian yang bertanya-tanya why the fuck am I losing weight, kenapa aku kurusan, ya jadi itu. So like yeah, don't ever ask me shit no more, cause it's been tiring. Kemarin aku tuh bener-bener kayak down banget, karena gimana ya, jadi insecure gitu, parah banget kan, kayak perbedaannya tuh kelihatan banget. Dan aku jadi kayak mikir, kayak emang kurusan ya. Aduh, kayak aku lihat kaca sambil nangis, terkejar-kejar karena ngeliat emang bedanya tuh drastis banget. Dan dari situ aku ngerasa kayak, iya anjir, kayak kurus banget anjir, kayak couple weeks ago. But now I feel like I don't give a shit, I look good as fuck, period, I know that's right. And like yeah, and aku rasa kayak aku udah mulai kembali sih ke apa namanya, badan aku yang lama, karena kayak yang tadi aku bilang, beberapa jeans sudah mulai muat lagi. And like yeah, you know what I have to do is just like keep eating. and I'll be back to normal. So that's pretty much it ya. Kalau kalian bertanya-tanya kenapa aku kurusan, karena aku sakit TBC. Cuman sekarang aku nih take notes buat kalian yang kenal aku atau nggak kenal. Aku udah menjalani pengobatan yang 6 bulan for like 6 months. So it's not contagious anymore, baby. Itu udah nggak menular lagi sama sekali. Kalian bisa cek di Google, kalian bisa tanya dokter. Like literally, it's not contagious anymore. So don't be so too much. Don't be exaggerating thing. Just because I have the fucking CBC doesn't mean it's gonna be contagious for the whole fucking life. Period. Anyway, guys, next aku mau talk about my university journey. Jadi update-nya adalah, jadi kemarin itu aku rencananya mau lulus cepet ya, Mei ya. Maksudnya sekarang ini lulusnya kayak gelombang pertama. Aku kayak udah ngejar banget. Sengejar itu kayak definisi. Dalam 1 minggu tuh aku bimbingan berapa kali. Kayak aku kejar tuh dosen sampai setiap hari aku telepon, sampai aku datang ke rumahnya untuk bimbingan. Tapi ternyata aku kekurangan sertifikat. Dan this certificate is pretty important that I have to participate di salah satu community service pengabdian, and I have to do that. So aku nggak bisa, I cannot be graduate this month, and like yeah. Bet jangka waktunya nggak terlalu lama, jadi aku ngerasa kayak ya udahlah ya. Maksudnya memang sudah jalannya seperti ini, jadi jalani aja. So aku bakal ujian di bulan Juni atau Juli di gelombang kedua. Dan ternyata emang katanya September itu wisuda yang serentak di Natalis atau gimana gitu. I don't understand why, but like yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will be graduate insyaallah, kalau misalkan nggak ada obstacles. I hope I will be graduate on September, August, or yeah, around that fucking months, I don't know. And like yeah, that's pretty much it. And next, kalau misalkan aku lagi live nih, banyak banget yang bertanya kayak what's next, apa selanjutnya setelah lulus. Itu masih jadi pertanyaan. Honestly, aku masih mau tinggal di sini because however, even though sekarang ini Bali lagi harsh banget sama aku, Bali being so hard on me lately, but I still love Bali. Like this place is just full of things that I like, definitely. And so like yeah, I will try my hardest to just stay here. And like what? But sebenarnya I can live here forever, like as long as I want. Cuman aku udah ngerasa like I feel bad to keep letting my parents to pay for my life. I'm 22. I'm planning to have my own money. Like yeah. So I'm trying to go work. I'm gonna try to find a job. Aku bakal coba untuk kerja, and I hope it works. Oh my god, I'm actually, sejujurnya I'm kind of scared. I'm pretty scared about the future. But I keep saying to myself, like I keep reminding myself, like I can do it. I've made this far, and and you know what? Just like what they say, just let's just go with the flow. Go with the flow, you know what I mean? Ikutin aja alur mainnya, karena semua udah diatur sama Tuhan, semua udah di tangan Tuhan. Kita sebagai manusia cuman ikutin aja alur main yang sudah ditakdirkan oleh Tuhan. Jadi, I'm just here trying to figure it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what has been going on with my life. And what? I miss vlogging honestly. Aku bakal vlog untuk Eid. I'm going to vlog for Eid Fitri, and yeah, it's gonna be so exciting. Yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. And I'm gonna do more vlogs honestly, because like lately I have nothing to do. I'm kind of like bored, and sometimes I want to make a videos, but I was like thinking about what should I do? Should I do this? Should I do that? It's just confusing. And today I decided to talk about what has been going on in my life, because why not? Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm sorry guys, I'm living like next to the fucking road, which makes me so fucking pissed every time there is like loud bike passing through my fucking guest house. It's just annoying as fuck. But like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and wait for my next video. Bye guys.